Okay, so today we are going to discuss the percentage change question. When we talk about the percentage change, it means that we can have percentage increase or percentage decrease question, right? So look at first question. I'm going to explain you through a question that how you're going to find out the percentage increase and percentage decrease. Here the question is, they are saying that Emma buys a house for 201,500 pound, right? And she sells the house for 213,590 pound, right? Calculate the percentage profit. So profit mean that they're talking about the percentage increase. So it means that we have to find out the percentage increase. Okay, we have to find out the percentage increase. Profit mean we are finding out the percentage increase. Remember the formula to find out the percentage increase is okay. The formula to find out the percentage increase is increase means that increase in value upon original value times 100. Okay, so what does it mean increase in value? So you have to use this formula to find out the value, to find out the percentage increase. Increase in value mean that you will subtract the new value from the original value, right? Original value from the new value, because you are getting the profit now. So this is how you will find out the increase in value, that how much the value is increased. First the cost of the house was this, and now this is 213,590, and original cost was 201,500 pound, right? So the value is increased. So how much is increased? That is your increase in value. So you can write it down that from the new value, this is our new value, okay, and this is our original value. So you're gonna subtract 201,500 pound from 213,590 pound, right? So 201,500, and you will divide it with the original value. So our original value is 201,500 pound, and then you have to multiply it with 100 to find out the percentage increase. Yes, could you please tell me that if you will subtract 201,500 pounds from 213,590 pound, what will you get? Tell me. What will you get?
1,090.
1,000 and 1,000 and
12,090.
12,000 and
12,090.
yeah, 12,090, and then you have to divide it with 201,500. Divide it and tell me what will you get, and also multiply it with 100. First divide 12,090 with 201,500, and then
you get 6%.
6%. So how much is increased? The value is increased by 6%. So this is how you have to calculate the percentage increase. Now you will use the same formula.